When Erin grips the bat, she uses her flexor digitorum superficials, which originates from the medial epicondyle of the humerus and inserts into the middle phalanges 2 to 5. She is bilaterally flexing her sternocleidomastoid, which originates in the sternum and clavicle and inserts into the temporal. She is also using her scalenus muscle, which originates in the tubercles and inserts into the cranial crest of her first rib to rotate her head. Erin is abducting her thigh. She's using her gluteus medius, which originates on the outer surface of the ilium and inserts into the femur. She then uses her gastrocnemius muscle, which originates from the femur and inserts into the tarsals. Her soleus muscle, which originates in the posterior surface of tibia and inserts into the posterior calcaneus, and her tibialis anterior, which originates from the tibia and inserts into the metacarpals, to dorsal flex her ankle. During her swing, she's rotating her torso, which uses her external obliques that originate from the external surfaces from ribs 5 through 8, and inserts at the linea alba. Erin is also using her rectus abdominis to rotate while she's swinging. The rectus abdominis originates from the pubis and inserts into the exvoid process of the sternum. When Erin starts to swing the bat, she's flexing her deltoid muscle, which originates in the clavicle and inserts into the humerus. She also uses the trapezius, which originates from the vertebral and inserts into the scapula. To top off that motion, she uses her serratus anterior that originates in the first 8 ribs and inserts into the medial border of the scapula. When Erin extends her wrist while swinging the bat, she uses her extensor carpi radius brevis, which originates from the humerus and inserts into the metacarpals. Erin then uses her sartorius muscle to rotate her ankle. The sartorius muscle originates from the anterior superior iliac spine of the pelvic bone and inserts into the upper medial surface of the tibial shaft.